my brows. I've been doing it a little bit different. Since I used to, I haven't actually filmed my brows because they take forever, and so I decided to do a new one with an updated version. So I'm using a primer first. I always do my brows first before I do anything else. I'm going to use a primer because then otherwise I'm gonna be like trying to avoid my brows if I try to put a primer on after. And today I'm using the Kylie regular face primer. I think she has two now, but this is just the first one that came out. So I like this. I use a dual-ended Tarte brush. I use this end to actually carve them out, and I use this end to buff that carving out so that it blends better into my skin. And then I have the Jaclyn Hill by Morphe number JH49. And this is a great tool to do the brows. And so it has like a little bit of an angle so you can get all of the hairs, and then a very nice tip for love this brush. Lately, I've been using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in Blonde. This one has actually been a great color for me. It's not too cooling, and it's not too light. And I need to make sure that my brows are gonna be the same color as my brow and not completely off. A little bit goes a long way. You wanna be patient with the product. And then I always start here, the front. And on the bottom. And then I take it all the way out to where I want it to end. And I go from where, so if you take the brush and you go from right here at your nose, or right here, that is where it should start. Right here should be where, the middle of your eye should be where it arches. And then all the way there is where you figure out, you follow your eye line to figure out where it should end. Little tip. And when I'm making out the outline, I do kind of use a little bit of a heavier hand than when I'm filling it in. And that is how I create the shape. So I make the outline of how I want it to look first. And then you start filling in with a little bit of product at a time. And I like to go upward with that product first. And it's okay if it kind of gets a little out of hand because you're gonna shape them up anyways. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side next. And today I'm taking Tarte Tape Shape in 12N. Really, you can use any cream shadow brush to do this. And really it's just cleaning them up. I bring that concealer down. And if you overdraw like this, this is how you create that fade in the beginning of the brow. And that's how you create a tail. So I will take that and go upwards, and then take the other end of that brush. It's like a stout round brush. Just kind of blend that concealer in so it's not super heavy right there. Since I have a acne right here, I'm just gonna go tap that. Okay, and see how much cleaner that is than this one? This kind of looks a little cray-cray. Thank you so much for watching my brow tutorial. Obviously, I did a full face of makeup. You will be able to see that in another video. I just wanted to do 2 videos, one with my updated brow routine, which is also gonna be listed right here, and then this full face of makeup. Well, happy quarantine, everybody. I hope everyone's having a great day, and we will get through this together. Stay safe. Hope you're having a great day. Bye.